After completing the portion of standard 10th, when I asked one question to my students, which chapter in maths do you find difficult? Most of the students, they say trigonometry. When I asked them the next question, that if you are given a chance to leave one chapter as an option, okay, you are given full freedom to skip one chapter. So which chapter would you like to skip? Again, the answer is immediately they say teacher trigonometry. But I don't know why the students have such a fear of this chapter trigonometry. Trigonometry is not at all difficult. Trigonometry is nothing beyond only 4 points. Yes. So these 4 points we are going to discuss in this video. Hi, I am Rushali and you are watching Rusharaj Classes YouTube channel. As I said, I am going to make trigonometry very easy for you. I'll ask you one question. Is trigonometry difficult? Answer this question after watching this complete video. So let's start the 4 points of trigonometry on which the entire chapter of trigonometry is based. The very first thing is the trigonometry ratios. So what are these trigonometric ratios? In our syllabus, we have only 6 trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Yes, so first you should know the basic meaning of these trigonometric ratios. So what is sine? What is cos? What is tan? What is cot? What is sec and what is cosec? Here the angle is considered as theta. Theta is just the measure of the angle. So what is sine theta? Sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. Cot theta is adjacent side upon the opposite side. Sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Now, is it necessary to by heart all these 6 ratios? Not at all. Just observe these ratios carefully. If you observe these ratios carefully, you have to just remember sine, cos and tan. Yes, that's enough. Just check it. Here, what you have to remember? Remember that cosec is reciprocal of sine, sec is reciprocal of cos and cot is reciprocal of tan. That's it. So, it's so easy to remember. So, let's move to the second point. As I said, theta is the measure of the angle. So, here we have the value of the trigonometric ratios for some specific measure of angles like 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So let's check what are the values of these trigonometric ratios. Here sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 upon 2, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, sine 90 is 1. Here 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, these are the measures of the angle. Now let us see cos theta. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, cos 90 is 0. Tan theta. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3. As I said, that cosec is reciprocal of sine, sec is reciprocal of cos and cot is reciprocal of tan. So just compare these values. Here cosec is going to be 1 upon 0. So they have given, it's not defined. Cosec 30 is 2. Cosec 45 is root 2. Cosec 60 is 2 upon root 3. Cosec 90 is 1. Sec 0 is 1. Sec 30 is 2 upon root 3. Sec 45 is root 2. Sec 60 is 2. Sec 90 is not defined because again it comes 1 upon 0. Cot 0 not defined. Cot 30 is root 3. Cot 45 is 1. cot 60 is 1 upon root 3. Now again I will give you one hint here. No need to by heart these ratios. Now just use one simple trick to remember this table. Here one thing, you have to remember the values of 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Yes, 0 and 90 degrees rarely it comes in your problem. In most of the problem, the value which is asked is 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. So just check these values. Sine 30 and cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Sine 60 and cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Means 30 and 60 of sine and cos, they are just interchanged. 45 degrees is same for sine and cos, it's 1 upon root 2. And tan, it's so simple to remember. 30 degrees is 1 upon root 3 and 60 degrees is root 3. 45 degrees is 1. Now again I tell you that if you remember just the values of these three ratios, that is sine, cos and tan, it's more than enough. No need to by heart the values of cosec, sec and cot. It's just the reciprocal of our three trigonometric ratios. See, even second point is also simple. I think trigonometry is becoming easy now, right? Let's move to the third point now. This third part is very easy to remember. Trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. We know complementary angle means sum of the angles is 90 degree. So if you want to find the complement of any angle, 90 minus the measure of the angle, we get the complement of the given angle. So here in trigonometry, theta is the measure of the angle. So just check here. Sine theta is cos 90 degrees minus theta. Cos theta is sine 90 degrees minus theta. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. Sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. This part we can say is the easiest part. Complementary angles. Yes, it's very easy to remember. So this is the third point of trigonometry. Let's move to the fourth and the last point of trigonometry. Now the last and the fourth point of our trigonometry, it's trigonometric identities. Yes, so how we have the identities in algebra, even in trigonometry we have three simple identities which are very easy to remember. The first one, cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So these are the simple identities of trigonometry. These identities we have to use as per the requirement of the sum. Suppose if you get 1 minus sine square theta, so this means that 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. If you get sec square theta minus 1, so sec square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta. So these identities we have to use as per the requirement of the sum. So these were the four simple points on which the entire trigonometry is based on. So now tell me, is trigonometry really difficult? Trigonometry is nothing beyond the 4 points what we have discussed in this video. Hope now if I ask you the question that which chapter is difficult in maths for you, I think you will not answer that it's trigonometry. Thank you so much for watching this video, and to get the regular updates of such useful videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.